Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our University Guide webinar. Today, we will learn everything about the University of Coventry. And I'll be answering all your questions about studying in this world-class university. We will cover various courses, fees, rankings, scholarships, as well as entry requirements and more specific information. So, are you all excited? University of Coventry rankings. Rankings matter a lot. They can make or break your decision. Well, Coventry University has achieved notable rankings in various university guides, showcasing its global standing and commitment to research excellence. In 2024, it secured the 58th position in the Times University Guide, the 46th position in the Guardian University Guide. Notably, the university was shortlisted for the University of the Year in the Times and Sunday Times Good University Guide 2021.
But rankings could influence our future employment prospects also, right?
Exactly. Rankings highlight the university's global standing and academic quality, which is very crucial for your career path. In specific course rankings, Coventry shines too, with several subjects in the top 10. This demonstrates the university's strength in areas like mental health, nursing, media and film studies, and aerospace engineering, among others. Speaking of strength, Coventry's top programs include accounting and finance, business and management. These programs are designed to equip you with the skills needed in today's competitive job market. Now, speaking of the next very important section, eligibility criteria for bachelor's and master's requirements. Admission to these top programs requires meeting specific eligibility criteria, including language proficiency scores and academic achievements. So now let's discuss these requirements. Can anyone tell me the minimum IELTS score needed?
Is it 6.0 for general eligibility?
Right. And for specific bachelor's and master's programs, the expectations are slightly higher. Understanding these requirements is the first step towards planning your application. So generally, IELTS requires a minimum of 6 band, TOEFL score of 79 and PTE score of 59. Here are specific understandings of each degree. Bachelor's requirements for Coventry University. Number 1, it's students who have passed 12th with 65% overall. Then it's maths and physics, which require 65% respectively. And minimum IELTS score should be 6.5. Master's requirements for Coventry University. Students who have passed 4 or 5-year university degree with GPA of 3.5 and minimum IELTS score should be 6.5. Moving on to tuition fees and scholarships. Considering the financial aspect of studying at Coventry, the tuition fees range, but the university also offers a variety of scholarships. These scholarships can significantly reduce your financial burden. But it's important to apply early and meet all the eligibility criteria.
So, I always wanted to know what are the different types of scholarships, I can avail of. Can you help?
Well, that's a great question. So you can apply to multiple scholarships. Some of them are International Pathway Scholarship, which is about £3,000. Coventry University Sports Scholarships, which can range between £1,500 to £3,000. Chevening scholarships going up to £18,000. Well, each comes with its own set of criteria and benefits. When it comes to tuition fees, the approximate cost is between £16,000 to £19,000 per year. As we wrap up, remember that applying to Coventry University is a step towards an exciting and fulfilling career. Want to create the next Transformers at their London studios? Or build an actual Formula 1 engine? Or get an MBA to become the next Elon Musk? Coventry's got over 120,000 alumni killing it across 150 countries. So don't miss this chance because the possibilities are endless.
Okay, so how do we start with the application process?
Well, it's pretty simple. Get free counseling from UniScholars experts and they will get started with your application process. Right from choosing the right course to preparing you for the visa interview, everything is free of cost and you get advice from top industry experts. Head on to their website and start your application right away.